Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this Rover P5b saloon that you can see lurking behind me here in Bordeaux red. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take a walk around this G registration, so either 1968 or 69, Rover P5b saloon, finished in Bordeaux red with red leather. Smart looking car, obviously been restored, and nice to see it's still got its stainless steel trims along the sills, and the jacking points are still in place because a lot of them tend to lose both of those when they're restored. Let's take a slow walk round it, and then we'll start looking at it in a bit more detail. Quite a nice combination actually, the Bordeaux red with the red leather, and the leather is really good in this one, as is the chrome. Excuse me. Chrome is excellent all round actually. I suspect it has had some recent re-chroming, but as you can see all around the front here, it's in very, very good shape chrome wise. Just spot on actually. Around the front end there's no big bubbles or any nasties around here at all. Bubbling around the side lights, no. Looking down the near side, it actually looks really quite straight, and the door fits are very good on this one. One thing I can mention, or I will mention, obviously it's got no mirrors on it, and the previous owner did keep it garaged, and at some point he's managed to scrape it through not having mirrors, or presumably through not having mirrors. Put a little scrape just there on the near side front arch, and a slightly bigger one on the near side rear arch. Hasn't damaged the panel work, just scraped a tiny bit of paint off. We've left it bare so that people can see it's not been sort of painted or messed about with at all. It is exactly what it is. So you may want to sort it, you may not. Up here around the scuttle corner, it's all pretty good. Roof is quite nice, screen's in good shape. As we said, the door fits are pretty good on it, and inside the leather is in very nice shape on the front seats. Certainly both of the kick panels, well certainly the passenger one, the driver's one doesn't look too bad from here. The passenger one is a bit worn, which I'll show you a bit more from the other side, but kick panel in front of the driver's, in front of the doors. The wood's actually in quite good shape on this. It has got a period radio and a more modern, well, slightly more modern radio, but neither of them seem to be working. But the interior is actually not bad at all in terms of its wood and its headlining and its seats and its carpets. It's a mixed, it's got new carpet mats in it, but the tunnel carpet is the original. Door card, and there we go, so door's shut nicely. Near side rear door is the same. And again, new mats as you can see down there. Furflex around the tail end is slightly worn just in the corner there, but still not in bad shape. It has got that weird extra headrest there in the middle, which just sits there. I think it looks like it's homemade and coloured to match, but it does just sit there. You can just pull it off. It just lays between the seats. Up on the seam, it's all looking pretty good. Yeah, again, here we are on the near side rear arch, the lip. You just see a bit of where it's just taken the paint off it from presumably rubbing on the garage side. But around the tail end, again, chrome is absolutely superb on it. It's a very slight dink in the boot lid just there. You may not be able to see it on the video. It hasn't broken the paint, just a very slight depression just there. Again, chrome is all nice in all the Mazak bits as well. Boot lid fits nicely and there's no bubbling on the boot lid. Looking down the offside, again, very, very straight with very good door fit. Offside rear wing is all nice. Should be the seam. very good. Again, up on the roof is all good. A little bit of delamination on the rear window just here. It's a heated rear window because it's got the strip in it. Offside rear door is all good. And again, in here, in the back, it's all very, very nice indeed. It's got the front headrests. And so the wood is exceptionally good in it. And the door shut well again. Offside door, we have got one or two little marks just down here by the handle, which we can't seem to get off. They look as if they're sort of someone with gloves having painted it, and had some paint on their gloves, has sort of touched it there when they've been opening the door. I don't know, but a couple of marks around the driver's door handle. But again, panel fit very good. There's a couple of, looks like just like polish marks up here, which we'll see if we can do something about. But good all round the scuttle. Offside front wing is all nice. Looks like it's got a matching set of tyres on it as well. Let's go to inside on the driver's side. Driver's door pocket is a little bit floppy, as you can see, but they often tend to go that way. But the rest of the interior, including in the usual spot down here, is really pretty good. Just a nice P5b, this one. So, there we have it. Hope you like it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.motodrome.com.